touch, I can with just one touch, I can feel my body giving.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Feby Aprilia Evelyn. Today I will describe my younger sister Prilly Indah Trawangsa. My younger sister Prilly Indah Trawangsa. She is 6 years old. Her hair short and curly, and she is brown eyes. Her hobby is drawing. She has a sweet smile and a kind personality. I feel happy and proud because she is my younger sister.